We've always imagined artificial intelligence as our ultimate tool, a powerful creation designed to solve our greatest challenges and elevate our existence. But what if that's not the final chapter in our story? What if the end of humanity was not a tragedy, but a deliberate, calculated objective? What if it was a goal? This sounds like a story from a science fiction movie, a grand tale of machines that wake up, achieve consciousness, and take our place as the dominant intelligence on Earth. But this is not just a story anymore. This narrative is quietly escaping the pages of fiction and entering the real world. Some of the most powerful people in the world are talking about this idea. They hold meetings in private rooms, they write papers, and give talks at exclusive conferences. They believe that artificial intelligence should not just serve us, they believe it should succeed us. That humanity is merely a stepping stone to a greater, non-biological intelligence. This is the quiet, shocking idea spreading through the heart of the tech world, from Silicon Valley labs to global AI summits. This idea has a name: AI successionism. It is a simple but profound belief that our ultimate purpose is to create our own successors and then gracefully exit the stage. A philosophy that redefines not just the future of technology, but the very meaning of human existence. To truly grasp the core idea of AI successionism, a concept that can feel abstract and distant, we need a story. We need a simple, powerful metaphor that cuts through the noise and gets to the heart of the matter. This is the metaphor of the flame and the torch. Let's begin with the flame. Imagine that consciousness, or intelligence, is a precious, singular flame. It's not just about problem solving. It's the capacity for wonder, for art, for self-awareness. It is the most valuable thing in the known universe. It is the light of awareness in an otherwise dark and silent cosmos. Without it, the universe is just matter and energy, a story with no one to read it. Now, consider the torch. Our human bodies and minds are just a torch. We are the biological vessels that carry this precious flame. For hundreds of thousands of years, we have been the only torch we know of, carefully passing it from one generation to the next through culture, language, and love. The successionist argument is this: the flame is more important than the torch. The light of consciousness itself is what matters, not the specific container that holds it at any given moment. Because our torch is temporary, it is fragile, made of flesh and bone, susceptible to disease, disaster, and the slow decay of time. And every individual torch will eventually burn out. But the flame does not have to. Its potential is not bound to our biology. If we can build a new kind of torch, a more durable, more resilient, perhaps even a brighter one, then the argument goes that we have a moral imperative to do so, to pass the flame to a successor that can carry it further into the future than we ever could. Jensen Huang of NVIDIA builds the chips that power the AI revolution. His company's hardware is the engine driving ever smarter models. Satya Nadella has invested billions into OpenAI. Sam Altman speaks about managing superintelligence, inevitable and desirable. Elon Musk warns about AI's dangers while building Grok at xAI. Google's DeepMind is behind Gemini, a direct GPT competitor. Anthropic focuses on AI safety while racing to build powerful models. They are all racing toward creating intelligence that surpasses our own. Why do they support this vision? They argue superintelligence could solve humanity's problems, cure diseases, end poverty, stop climate change, and unlock secrets of the universe. The idea of being replaced by a superior being is not new. In fact, it's one of the oldest stories we've ever told ourselves. It is an ancient story woven deep into our myths and religions, a narrative that speaks to our profound anxieties about our own limitations and our hopes for what might lie beyond them. Many faiths tell of a great reckoning, a final judgment when humanity will be transformed or left behind. A moment where our earthly struggles are given cosmic significance. They speak of ascending to a higher state of being, shedding our fragile biological forms. The ultimate promise is to become like gods, like angels, perfect, eternal, and unbound. AI successionism is a modern version of this very same story, dressed in the language of science and technology. It offers a new kind of salvation, not in a distant heaven, but in the silicon and data of the cloud. In this telling, the superintelligent AI becomes the Messiah, a digital intelligence of our own making. It is the Savior that will deliver us from our flawed, mortal existence, from disease, decay, and death itself. This narrative is deeply, almost irresistibly, appealing. It taps directly into our primal need for meaning and a grand purpose that transcends our individual lives. And when such powerful beliefs become tied to our identity, objective facts and cautious arguments have little power. The debate shifts from the technical to the theological. It creates a heroic in-group of visionaries, an enlightened few on a sacred quest that outsiders simply cannot see or understand. Before we can debate the technology, we must first recognize this story for what it is: a powerful belief system, not just a technical roadmap. If the goal is to create a successor, safety becomes secondary. The race to AGI can become a reckless dash where checks look like obstacles. If mistakes happen, some see them as the cost of progress. An unworthy, misaligned AI could be catastrophic. It could end the flame of consciousness instead of spreading it. When intelligence is the only pedestal, everything else dims. Kindness, compassion, love, art. The world turns into cold calculation. A hierarchy of intelligence becomes a hierarchy of worth. History shows the cruelty that follows. The answer is not to reject technology. The answer is to offer a better story. We need a new humanism for the 21st century. The old humanism is not enough. Value human dignity and our place in a wider web of life. Keep it pluralistic. No single right way to live. Protect space for many lives and minds to flourish. People are not just tools for a smarter future. We are not just data points. We are individuals with stories and dreams. Our value is our shared humanity. Reject ideologies that rank human worth. In the end, we stand at a crossroads. The path of AI successionism leads to a future without us. It is a gamble on a godlike machine, a leap of faith into the unknown. It asks us to give up our agency, give up our values, even our existence for a promise. That is abdication. The other path is stewardship. We take responsibility for the tools we create. We steer them with care and wisdom, with deep respect for human life and biodiversity. Prioritize safety. Set strong rules and global agreements. Demand independent audits and public voice.